What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's an exciting day. I'm gonna unbox all the celebration stuff that I managed to find over the last couple of weeks. Man, some of these things were pretty hard to find, especially at a reasonable price. So I'm so excited right now that I get to open them. Anyways, enough of that. Let's get right into it. First off, we have the oversized Pikachu binder card. So it's a giant Pikachu card. And then it comes with this very big card for very big celebration. So there's a bunch of them here. Alright, just looks like that. Hey, 25th anniversary. Okay, oversized card checklist. Okay, anyways, don't need that. To the side, put the binder. Yep, it's just a straight binder in here. First card in, Pikachu. Ooh, let's put the Pikachu card in there. This is very helpful because all these sets have these giant cards now and I need a place to put them, so... Base set Pikachu. Look at that. Big card. Right, so that's that. Let's put that to the side. So next up, let's open this Elite Trainer box. Alright. Looks like that. Let's get right into it. Oh man, this is so much fun. I haven't opened one of these before. So, slides out. Okay, this little box comes to the side. What does it have here? Pokemon Celebration Player's Guide. Okay. Yeah, so it just tells you how many cards there are. Right, there's 25 of the new ones, and then there's, I believe, 25 of the old reprints. This is 50 cards in total. Alright, that's good. Let's put this to the side. Alright, let's open this now. Whoa. That looks pretty interesting. So inside you have this trading card rules. Okay, standard. Tokens, the damage tokens or the status tokens. Got some dices. Okay. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of the celebration packs. And then 5 of these regular ones. You have Chilling Reign, Battle Styles, Vivid Voltage, and 2 Darkness Ablazes. Alright. Alright, let's put them to the side. And comes with one of these Greninja foil cards. Alright. And then comes with this. Comes with a bunch of sleeves, which I don't have any. This is perfect. So I can start sleeving all these foils. And then this comes with 4 dividers, so you can put your stuff in here. Okay, that's nice. And then a bunch of energy cards. Yep. Steel, Fairy, Darkness, Water, Electric. Okay. Yeah, so just a bunch of energy cards. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Alright, next up, Premium Figurine Collection. Alright. Oh, man. Right, let's take a look. Open this up. Wow. Alright, first up, look at this figurine. This looks so awesome. Look at this. It's a big Pikachu. This looks so nice. We're gonna put this guy right here for display. Boom. Look at that. Look at that Pikachu. I know my kids are gonna love this. Alright, next we have 3 packs of regular boosters. We have Chilling Reign, Vivid Voltage, and Darkness Ablaze. Alright. And for the celebration, get that out of there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8 celebration packs here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Really, it's the Pikachu figurine. That's what it's all about. Almost missed it. There's 2 more promo cards here. This card is so nice. Pikachu VMAX. It evolves from Pikachu V. Gigantamax. I'm guessing that's where this... I'm guessing that's this right here. The Gigantamax. Look at that. Alright, that's it. Alright, so next we have Pikachu's V Union. Oh man, look at the cards. Look at these cards. Alright. Oh, the box is nice. Right? It's yellow too, all around. There, you open it. My bad. Okay, so it opens up like that. Okay. This one, we'll just garbage this. And let's sleeve these things first. Right, so you have your V Union like that. 4 separate cards. Yep, just like in the box. Let's put that to the side. Oh, what's this? Promo, shuffle your deck. Professor Burnett. What? Why would you need this card? Okay. Comes with this. Don't need that. And then one gigantic promo card. And which is why I need to get one of these binders. So I can put this giant card in there. Starting that collection. Look at that. 2 big ones. Alright. Next, it comes with Darkness Ablaze and Battle Style booster pack. And 1, 2, 3, 4 celebration packs. Alright. So additional 4. So we're done with that. Alright. Not bad. Next, look at this tin. Alright. Let's see what's in the tin. Don't need any of that. Boom. Ooh. We got 3 promo cards and a coin. I love these coins. They're so nice now. They're nice and big. What a coin this is. This looks so pretty. Okay. Next we have 3 promo cards. Light Toxtricity, Mimikyu, and Hydrogeon C. Alright. Probably botched those names up. Can't do much about that. Let's grab some more sleeves. Boom. So the 3 cards right here again. Perfect. And inside we also have another 2 booster packs. Vivid Voltage, Battle Styles. And then it comes with how many are these? Whoa. Alright, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 celebration packs. And then what's more? Bunch of stickers. Trainons, Pikachu stickers. Lots and lots of Pikachu stickers. Lots of Pikachu stickers. Alright. And then a giant pad. They really like giving out these pads. Then a Pikachu binder. Awesome. Another one of these. So I had the Eevee one last time. So another one of these binders. It's great. And then toss this away. Last but not least, inside is a talks about these Pokemons. The three Pokemons here. Right. Okay. Alright, that's interesting. Let's put that there. Let's close up this tin. Let's move that to the side. So the last and final thing I have is the Pokemon tins. Whew. Look at these. Look at these babies. Look at them. First up, this tin right here is the original. Take a look inside. It comes with, Alright. Hey, the coin's different. It's a silver coin. That. Oh, it comes with this like card. Bulbasaur, Charizard, Charmander, and Squirtle. Okay, it tells you about them. 8 cards to collect. Okay. And then it comes with 1, 2, and a Darkness Ablaze. 2 and a Darkness Ablaze. 2 celebrations. Alright. Next one. Does it tell me which one's the next one? It should be. It should be this one. Alright. Same thing. Yeah. Same thing. A little art card. So this is the second one. Chikorita, Cyndaquil, and Totodile. Alright. Same thing. 2 packs and a Darkness Ablaze. I'm guessing they're all Darkness Ablaze then. Alright. Let's close up these boxes. So I want to keep these boxes. So let's put these things back in as well as I open them. Alright, next one is going to be this one. Is it Greco? And same thing. Coin here. You're gonna get the Trico, Torchic, Mudkip. Alright. And then same thing. Ooh, 2 celebration packs. And a Darkness Ablaze. Then it is Turtwig, Chimchar, Pillip. Okay, and then that will give me 2 more celebration pack and another Darkness Ablaze. Gookie, Scorbunny, Sobble. Alright. One, 2. Darkness Ablaze. Then it is Rowlet, Litten, Popplio. Okay. And then that will give me another 2 packs of here and another Darkness Ablaze. Cheespin, Finnegan, and Froakie. Oh, I know Froakie. 2 more celebration pack and a Darkness Ablaze there. Finally, last one. Oh. Alright. No surprise. Coin here. Then we have the Sneevee, T-Pig, and Oshawott. All 8 are collected there. And then we have our 2 celebration pack and Darkness Ablaze. Alright guys, then those are the celebration stuff that I managed to get over the last couple of weeks. Man, what a day. Whew. We ended up with 44 packs of these. 44 packs. Look at that, that's crazy. 4 cards in here. That's like over 160 cards. Come on, crazy. But the most important thing is, there's 50 cards in that set. We got 160. Come on, we're gonna get them all. For sure, we're gonna get them all. Alright? And also, we ended up with 20 packs of these. 20 regular booster packs. You know what? I'm not really too worried about the regular booster packs. My focus is on the celebration. And that's the next video. I'm gonna open all these to make sure that I'm able to collect them all. And if I'm short some, don't worry about it, guys. I got extra sets right in the back here. I'm prepared. I'm all out. I'm going all out. I'm making sure I'm gonna collect them all. Alright, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.